Hello, my name is Osvaldo Ospina. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. I am in over 31. I am 26 and born. I am currently studying agronomy in Ronald. Talking Ronald, my family, everyone and sister and my brother. My sister Yasmin Habledi Ospina and my brother Daniel Ospina. My mom Sandra Patricia Colorado. My dad is Adrual Ospina Ramirez. I truly love my family, but also underline I am sure I'm my front. By front, I'm being responsible at university. I at least the music, play soccer, play in the band games, dig in the movies, and this my like activity are outdoor. Violins, it was this kicking, cooking, playing basketball, and then playing and the music instrument.